What are you doing? Huh? Yeah. Is that your new favorite place because it's nice and cold? And it's a hot day? Hmm? What are you doing? You're in trouble. You're in trouble. Yes, I know. I see you. Yeah. Oh my goodness, Thursday. Grandma's going to be very unhappy when she sees this video and sees how long the fridge is open. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be in the fridge. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're very loud. I don't know where you get that. What are you doing? Yeah. Alright, we done?